Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about the Royal Match. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and we'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your